Welcome back. For some of you, probably right away, welcome back within the last hour to 10 minutes, whatever it is. And the deal just came out. The weekend deal is out. So we'll go over it. We'll read the fine print and we'll set you up for tomorrow. I just released a Dollar Days video, so watch that after this one. Those are the perfect things to fill your basket with when you go out for this deal. Anyways, Harbor Freight, Inside Track, club member exclusive, $10 off, $75 or more, and then $25 off, $150 or more. Now, if you're like me, you start thinking what the percentages are, and if you're like me, you bust out the calculator on your phone, your TI-89, your scientific calculator, whatever it is, and let's see, $10 off of $75 is 13%. So that's the best deal you can get if you spend $75 or more. Is at best you're gonna save 13%. Just not great, not terrible, not great. If you know the buy zone, you know the buy zone. But let's check the $25 off for more, and this one feels similar. But let's see where we're at. 25 divided by 150 or more. It's a 16.667%. So rounding up, essentially 17%. So I'm not too mad about 17%. 17% is pretty good. It's above 15%. It's almost at 17%. It's essentially 17%, which if you do man math, which is not the same as girl math, if you do man math, that's essentially 20% off. So this is essentially a 20% off coupon off $150 or more, but you're going to have to get as close as you can to $150 because the higher you go, the less of a deal it is. But let's read the fine print to see what things we're able to do. So member exclusive starting May 9th to May 11th. So that's this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Limit 1, no coupon required. Discount applied at the register. Valid in store on in-stock and pre-sale eligible items only for existing and new Inside Track club members. $10 discount on only valid on any qualifying purchases of $75 or more, or $25 discount only valid on any qualifying purchase of $150 or more after applying any applicable offers or discounts. Let's read that part one more time. $25 discount only valid on any qualifying purchase of $150 or more after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. Now, well, let's finish reading the rest of the fine print before we start making some insinuations here. Discount cannot be used with any of the following: ITC memberships, extended service plans, gift cards, cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices, non-transferable. Other restrictions may apply. Now that feels weird because it says that the qualifying purchase of $150 or more is only after applying any other applicable offers or discounts, which would make me think that you can use and stack other offers or discounts. But then at the end here, it says cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, prior purchases. So that's interesting. I wonder what the truth is there. I do feel, and everyone please chime in the comments because this is very valuable. You all go to Harbor Freight as much as I do, and there's a lot of you out there who have great feedback. In the previous sales that they've done where you have to reach a certain limit, is there a way of them validating if something has a coupon or not? I feel like they don't. I feel like they only can look at the total price. So if you get to that $150, regardless if you've used discounts on other items, they'll give you this 25% off. That's what my memory is serving. But then again, I have the memory of a goldfish. And then again, Harbor Freight, in some examples, from what I've heard from the community, from you guys out there, from the Harbros, is that some stores are being a little bit more strict with how they're interpreting these coupons. So what are you going to get? What are you going to go try to get? $25 off, $150 or more, almost 17% off. $10 off of $75, a little bit less than 15%. And that's the deal for the weekend. If you find these helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I just made another video on the Dollar Days. Look through the Dollar Days to see what you can add to your cart when you go in for this deal. Actually, those Dollar Days, if you get to like about $140, those are the things you're going to add into your cart because those aren't deals. Those are just Dollar Day deals. I might be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But hopefully you can fill your cart, get the $150 or more, get the $25 off, get the dollar days. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.